Let's take a look at how to customize user rights within BigTime. To customize user rights, we'll start at My Company in our navigation bar and select User Rights from the drop-down. Now, as you can see, we offer two security groups by default: system administrators, who are able to see and do everything within BigTime, and the opposite end of the same spectrum, the Everyone user. Now, Everyone users are allowed to add time and expenses against any project and view reports that we, the system administrators, make available to them. Now, occasionally we do need to add a new group, so that way we can provide some of our employees with a middle ground of permissions. In order to do so, we'll simply click on Add New Group. We can title our new security group here at the top, and we'll call this Managers. And then what we will do is we'll go down the pick list that's available to turn different functionalities on or off for our new security group. One thing I do definitely recommend, because we already have this set up and established for our Everyone user, is to turn on the functionality to log time and expenses against any project. Now, if you ever have a question as to what turning a specific functionality on will allow, you can always click on the question mark with the circle around it, which will then give you a drop-down with a detailed description as to what turning this functionality on will allow your employee to see. We can then go ahead and save changes. Now, we are required to have at least one functionality on to be able to save changes for our new security group. We've done that by turning the log time expenses against any project on, so we can now click Save. You can now see that our new security group is available on our pick list. In order to add someone to our new security group, we'll simply have to go to My Company from our navigation bar and choose Staff List from our drop-down. We'll jump into the person that we want to give the manager permissions to. And so we'll click on Joe Bob Jones. We'll click on User Rights tab, and then we'll simply go ahead and click on the radio button next to the title of Managers. We'll of course want to save changes, and once we get the green identifier, we will know that our changes have been saved within the system. That's all there is to adding new user rights and new security groups in BigTime. Hope you enjoyed.